Jimin, Cookie, baby, stop crying. Why are you crying? See, your appa is here. Cook, Dada, it's cold. Cook, Cookie. Jimin, Dada didn't scold Cookie. Dada only said Cookie to play outside. See, it's night, baby. Everyone is sleeping. Dada did so much hard work, so he should sleep on time. Otherwise, he can't work properly. Cook, Dada, Appa, useless. Jimin, no baby, don't think like this. Dada didn't say Appa useless. Dada is in half sleep, that's why he said this. Cook, Cookie, bad, Appa, sad. Jimin, no baby, my Cookie is a good boy. Cook, Appa isn't sad. See, Appa is smiling. Now let's sleep. Kissed on his forehead. Author's point of view. Jimin and Yoongi were 4 years married couple. It was a revenge marriage. Yoongi's dad was by Jimin's dad. Actually, his death was suspicious. Yoongi assumed that Jimin's dad, his dad, as a revenge, he married to Jimin and started torturing him. He didn't. His dad, him slowly by torturing his son Jimin. Jimin's dad told Jimin to leave him and come back to him, but he didn't left him because he also believed that his dad is of Yoongi's dad. Yoongi lost his dad, so now he has to pay the debt of his dad's wrong deeds. Jimin was all innocent but bore all the pain and torture of Yoongi. Yoongi is mafia who has anger issues. In anger, he can do anything. He has no control over his anger. Poor Jimin always becomes the target. He only used Jimin like anything. He never gave him his place which he deserves. He beat him, forced him, but never cared about him. It's not like he was feeling happy by doing this. No, he didn't. Whenever he tried to feel anything for Jimin, his dad's dead face came in front of his eyes and it reminded him that because of Jimin's dad, today his dad isn't with him. Then he again started hating him. He loved his dad more than anything. He is like God for him. He still didn't come out from that trauma. Jimin's dad couldn't bear his son's this condition and in car accident he died. Jimin couldn't hate Yoongi. He understood Yoongi's pain. Even after happening this much, he felt for him. He tried to help him. For that, he met with psychiatrist. Psychiatrist told him that he needs someone who can bring him back in his old innocent time when he wasn't like this. He suggested him to plan BB, but he knows Yoongi will never agree with this. He can adopt a child, but he knew this very well that Yoongi will never accept this, so he tricked him by donating his for surrogacy. When Cookie was born, he took him at home. Yoongi became super mad to see him. He was ready to throw him, but Cookie's innocent face and crying stopped him. He allowed Jimin to keep him, but never accept him. He never touched or played with him, but it's not the truth. Whenever Jimin left Cookie alone, Yoongi took care of him. At night, when Jimin fell asleep but Yoongi wanted to play, he played with him, but Jimin didn't know about this. After Cookie's arrival, he never beat or forced Jimin. He started changing just like psychiatrist told to him. Kids has the power to heal anyone's pain and force them to change their personality into good one. Right now, Yoongi was sleeping. He was already very tired and stressed out. He was trying to sleep, but Cookie wants to play. He was playing with his ball, which disturbed his sleep. Jimin was trying to stop Cookie, but he was only 3 years old. He didn't listen to him. Yoongi angrily shouts on Jimin and called him useless because he couldn't control Cookie. Hearing his loud voice, Cookie became scared and started crying. Jimin took him outside and trying to pacify him. But Cookie thought that Yoongi scolded him. Somehow Jimin made him understand and started walking here and there while stroking his hair. Soon he fell asleep. Jimin took him inside and slept too with Cookie. Time skipped at next day. It's evening. Jimin was playing with Cookie, who was busy in playing with ball while running here and there. It was the death anniversary of Yoongi's dad. He went to graveyard to meet his dad. He came inside the house and saw Jimin's happy face, which reminded him his dad's dead face. He was already stressed out because of his mafia work. He tried to ignore him but couldn't do that. Cookie came to him and grabbed his right index finger by his full hand and said, Cook held his right index finger. Dada, play. Yoongi removed his hand and sat on the couch. Go from here. Cook has Yoongi's blood, so he is as stubborn as Yoongi. He didn't go. He started arguing with him. Jimin already went to bring water for him. Cook stubbornly, no, Dada, play Cookie. Yoongi, can't you listen at once? I told you to go, then you should go. Cook, Cookie, no, go. Cookie, play. Dada, Appa, play Cookie. Yoongi was already mad and Cookie was continuously arguing with him, which added fuel in his anger. He doesn't want to hurt him, but he wasn't in his right sense. So he harshly snatched the ball from his hand and threw it somewhere in the living room and said, Yoongi shouts, play, 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 all the time, only play. Do you think everyone is like you, free and live his life happily without any worry? Listen to me very carefully. Don't you dare to come closer to me. Hearing Yoongi's shout, Jimin ran to living room and saw Yoongi was shouting on Cookie and he was verge of crying badly. His eyes were holding big fat tears which can fall at any time. Jimin put the glass of water on the center table and hugged Cookie tightly. He started crying loudly while hugging him. While hugging and crying, up, Jimin strokes his hairs. Oh, baby, don't cry. See, Appa is here. Cook, up, Jimin looked at Yoongi, why did you shout on him? See how much he is crying. Yoongi, I told him to go from here, but he kept arguing with me and wanting to play with me. Jimin looked at Cookie, baby, go to your room. Dada and Appa wanna talk. Okay, don't come outside. Kissed on his forehead. Appa will come soon. Cook looked at Yoongi's scary face and ran from there while crying hard with his tiny baby feet. Jimin looked at him. Why did you shout on him? Do you know how scared he is? Yoongi, Jimin, stay in your limits. Don't you dare to talk with me like this. Jimin, why would I stay in my limits when you can cross your limits and shout on your own son? Then why wouldn't I? Yoongi angrily grabbed his throat and choked him. He isn't my son. Set this in your mind. Harshly left him and he fell on the floor while coughing. Jimin, while taking deep breath, he is your own son. Yoongi went to him and grabbed his hairs. I said thousands of times, Dad, he isn't my son. Can't you understand this simple thing? Jimin, I told you thousands of times, Dad, he is your own son, your own blood. You never accepted me as your husband, but at least accept your son. He is only want your love, nothing else. Yoongi had enough. He raised his hand to slap him. Jimin closed his eyes tightly and waiting for a slap. Yoongi looked at his closed eyes and couldn't slap him. He grabbed the glass of water which Jimin brought earlier for him and threw it on the floor. Harshly, he started throwing all the living room's things like a mad person. Jimin got scared to see his this side. He was behaving like mental. Yoongi went near him and said, Yoongi, you aren't my husband. You are just a for me, nothing else. We don't have any relationship. Neither you are my husband nor that child is my son. Set this in your mind. He destroyed everything and left the house, leaving Jimin in between all the mess. Jimin hugged himself and started crying. In these 4 years, he did everything to understand Yoongi. He bore all of his torture because he understood his pain. But now it's getting unbearable for him. He thought Cookie was in his room, but no, he was there and hid himself under the table. He saw everything. When Yoongi went outside, he carefully went to Jimin and said, Cook hugged Jimin tightly. Appa, no cry. Jimin quickly wiped his tears. Appa isn't crying. Why did you come here? You can hurt. Cook patted his head. Appa, Cookie strong. Showed him his muscles. Cookie, save Appa. Appa, no cry. Dada, bad. Cook was comforting broken Jimin. Jimin couldn't hold himself anymore and started crying loudly while hugging him. Cookie didn't cry. He was stroking his hairs by his tiny pee hands like Jimin did to him. He kissed on his top of the head and said, Cook wiped Jimin's tears by his tiny pee hands. Appa, no cry. Cookie here. Cookie happy. Appa. Jimin looked at him and said in mind, my small baby become big. He is comforting me. I know whatever Yoongi did was all of his anger, but now it started impacting Cookie's little brain. I can't let him live in this toxic environment where he has to see his dada's anger. It's not good for him. Yoongi, I love you so much and don't wanna leave you at any cost. For you, our marriage is nothing, but for me, it's everything. But now I have to think about our son, our Cookie. He deserves normal childhood like other kids, but here he can't get that. I'm sorry, but now I have to leave you. He wiped his tears and kissed on Cookie's forehead. He went to his room and packed his and Cookie's clothes. Except his clothes, he didn't take anything. He wrote a letter for Yoongi and left on their room on dressing table. He came to living room. Cookie saw his ball which Yoongi angrily threw it earlier. Jimin looked at Cookie who was looking at his ball. Cookie, you can take your ball. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie, no ball. Jimin and Cookie saw the house at the last time and left from there. Cookie waved his hand and said the house bye-bye. Time skipped at next day. Yoongi came to home at late night. He was fully drunk. He noticed the emptiness but thought Jimin and Cookie were in another room, so he slept without checking anything. In the morning when he woke up and came to living room, he saw everything was as it is, just like yesterday. He checked Jimin and Cookie everywhere but didn't find him anywhere. Now he started worrying. But why? He didn't like Jimin and Cookie. He wanted to throw them out of their life. Then now what happened? Why didn't he like this emptiness? He went to his room and saw a letter which Jimin left for him. He read that loudly. Yoongi, I know I'm the reason of your pain. For you, this marriage is nothing. You never accepted it, but I tried everything to save our marriage because I love you. I never tell you before, but yeah, I love you. I madly love you. I always saw a dream to live happily in our happy small family. You, me, Cookie, and I. But I understood it can't be possible. Whatever you believe or not, but Cookie is your own son. I used you for surrogacy. Cookie saw everything. What did you do today? I can't let him think that his dada is a bad person. For protecting my child, I'm going far away from your life. Now there will be no one to disturb you. You are free from my and Cookie's responsibility. Take care of yourself, Jimin. After reading the letter, a tear dropped from his eyes unknowingly. Now Jimin left him, which he always wanted. Then why did he cry? He should be happy and celebrate this moment, but then why wasn't he happy? Because he also loved Jimin and Cookie. He spent 4 years with Jimin. He loved him. He hated his dad, not him. He never said this, but he loved him. When Cookie ran here and there with his informed words, he loved Dad, but he didn't know how to express his feelings. Now, when Jimmy and Cookie wasn't here, he was missing them so much and realized how badly he behaved with Jimin. He remembered how badly he behaved with Jimin, how bad words he used for him. Memories of past 4 years started flashing in his mind like a movie. He started hating himself. No, he wasn't like this. His anger issues made him like this. He has his happy family, a loving and caring husband, a super cute and adorable son. But he himself ruined everything. He himself killed his all the happiness. He himself he wiped his tears and promised to himself to bring back Jimin and Cookie again in his life, and in this house he will fix everything again. Time skipped after a month. Jimin came to Beachside, where he bought a small wooden house by his own money before his marriage. His dad's bungalow was still empty, but he didn't go there. He started working at food truck for his livelihood. Here is a beach, so Cookie play here without any restriction. Cookie never demanded anything. He never asked for Yoongi. He tried his best to make Jimin happy. Both Jimin and Cookie were happy in their small world. On the other hand, Yoongi was trying his best to search Jimin and Cookie. He put his all the force to find them and finally got their address. He didn't waste any second and quickly reached there. He saw Cookie was collecting seashells. Suddenly a ball hit on his tiny baby legs and he saw it. He became happy to see that. Cook happily took the ball. Ball, miss Cookie. Cookie missed too. Yoongi smiled to see his giggling face. Cookie could turn to him by holding ball. You! Angrily said. Yoongi went to him. Yes, it's me, your dada. Dada missed you so much, baby. Tried to hug him, but Cook pushed him. You no Cookie tata. Cookie only appa, no tata. Yoongi, no baby, don't say this. Cookie has both Appa and Dada. Dada bad, Appa cry. Cookie no talk. Yoongi, yes baby, Dada is bad. Dada hurt Cookie's Appa so much. Dada made him cry too. But now Dada is changed. Dada is sorry. Dada come here to take Appa and Cookie back. Cookie angry. Yoongi kneeled down and held his ear by his hands. Dada is sorry, baby. Dada is ready for his punishment, but please don't hate Dada and come back. Cook looked at him with cute angry eyes. Dada do this, did sit-ups. two, no, four times, showed his four fingers. Yoongi, of course that I will do. Jimin shouts from home, Cookie, Appa is at home, come here. Hearing Jimin's voice, he ran to him. Cook ran to him, Appa! Happily showed him his ball. Ball! Jimin ruffles his hairs. Who gave you ball? Cook pointed his finger on Yoongi. Dada! Jimin, Jimin looked at Cook. Cookie, baby, go upstairs. Cook, Kutti, happily left. Yoongi, Jimin, I know you are very angry. You don't want to see my face, and you are right at your place. But please, can you listen to me? Jimin smiled. Yoongi, you are taking me wrong. I'm not angry with you. Yoongi, I know you are lying. Whatever I did isn't acceptable for forgiveness. Don't forgive me, punish me, but please let go home. After your and Cookie's departure, I realized how much I love you both. I really can't live without you two. I don't know how to apologize with you. I know you won't believe me, but I really changed myself. I am not Yoongi, which you know me. Please come back. Jimin, Yoongi, why wouldn't I believe on you? I know whatever you did for your dad, you loved him so much. You didn't wrong at your place. Whatever you did with me, for that I already forgive you. I forgot everything and started my new life here. You also forget everything and start your new life. Marry with someone who is capable for you. Don't worry, you can come here to meet Cookie whenever you want. I won't stop you. Yoongi dropped on his knees and held his hand. Jimin, please don't say this. You are my life. Only you can be my companion. I love you so much. I can't think about anyone. I only want you two in my life. For that, I am ready to do anything. But please don't leave me. I can't live without you two. If you two also leave me, then I will die. Your dad isn't the of my dad, but he was the informer. Because of him, my dad died. I took the revenge from you, which was very, very wrong. I wasn't in my right sense. I only want to take revenge. I didn't even realize when I crossed all the limits. He started crying while holding his hands. Yoongi was so strong, he never cried before, not on his dad's death, but today he is crying like a small child. If a man cries in front of you, then nobody can love you more than him. Those were the tears of regression. Jimin, Yoongi, I'm ready to go with you and start a new life, but before that, you have to prove your love for me and Cookie. You have to prove that you changed yourself and ready to start new life. Yoongi wiped his tears. I am ready to do anything. Just tell me, what should I do to prove my love for you and Cookie? Jimin, nothing much. You have to meet with psychiatrist and start the treatment of your anger issues. When doctor will say you are fully fit and fine, I will return to you with Cookie. Don't worry, me and Cookie will be with you all the time. I am doing this for Cookie. He needs good environment. Yoongi, done. I will do this. Arthur's point of view. Yoongi started his treatment. Jimin and Cookie were with him throughout his journey. After 6 months, Yoongi became normal, and as Jimin promised to him, he returned back to him with Cookie and they started their new life. We understand the value and importance of a thing or a person when we lost them for forever. So value them when they are with you. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I changed lots of things. I can never promote the things which is wrong according to me. Abuse is one of them. No matter is physical or mental abuse. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Value the things or person when they are with you. Not everyone get a chance. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.